Friends, Jeff here with RV Optimizer. We're at the Tampa RV show. I have a new friend here, Bryson, and we want to talk about a brand new vehicle. Bryson, tell us what we're looking at.
Yeah, absolutely. So this is our 2401M. This is on a Mercedes chassis. It's going to be on our 2023 chassis. So it's going to be a 6-cylinder Mercedes diesel engine. This is a brand new floor plan that Forest River just released, and we're the first ones to kind of have it. Walk inside, you're going to feel a very big open concept floor plan. You're going to see our beautiful Murphy bed with a great couch. You have your 12-volt smart TV that comes up and down as you need, so you can hide it away as needed when you're driving and traveling. You have a 12-volt fridge right next to the countertop space behind, and you're going to have an inverted induction cooktop. So when you're plugged into shore power, your induction cooktop will be running. Convection microwave oven. So it's going to be a rear bath that's going to be set up to accommodate really anyone's needs and necessities, and has a ton of interior storage for you as well. And then when you turn back around, you're going to look up towards the front, and you're going to have a beautiful trucker's cap with additional storage as well. Then you're going to walk down and you're going to be into the cab of the unit itself. Your upgrades on this chassis are going to be smart cruise control, adaptive active lane departure warning, and you're going to have a beautiful smart mirror that's going to give you side views for 3-way, so you'll have side views on both sides of your vehicle, and you're going to have rear view camera as well.
Does that back camera stay on all the time?
It does stay on all the time, and when you switch lanes, it's going to switch per side that you're going to be trading lanes.
Awesome.
So when it comes to a unit, this is absolutely perfect for everything that you need.
And this is brand new on the market.
Brand new, 2025, ready to go.
Perfect.
Tall stuff, you always have some.
Canopies.
Very nice. Well, thanks for taking the time and walking us through this.
Absolutely.
It's pretty.